Our Kiss Sew Along for this month is our Noel hanger. This one comes in the 4x4, 5x5, 6x6, 7x7 and 8x8. Our sample size is the 6x6. For this design I have actually used the bag stiffener underneath our batting, so we put it down at the same step and you cut it out at the same time as the batting, and it just gives it some structure and it will hang nicely, nice and straight.
I really love how you've used all our essentials in this as well. Like I love all the glitter and the PU. It just adds that little extra pizzazz.
Yeah, I tried to use a bit of glitter on each panel just to make it stand out a bit.
A bit more Christmassy.
Yeah. And each panel is attached by a bit of ribbon. You can use that any way you want. You can have the bow at the front, or what we've done is we just have a little knot, and I've made it short so they just touch, and that's for each of them. And at the top I've just got a piece of ribbon that you can hang on a hook or something.
You could even use those little those metal keyring things in between.
Oh yeah,
as well.
yeah. Sometimes we do use them for our designs. I've got it all tangled. So the competition details for the Noel hanger are that it starts on the 7th and finishes on the 30th. If you buy it in that time period, you get 30% off, making sure that you use the code, but you'll find that code on the Facebook group in the announcements. Making sure that you post your photo, and that's how you'll be eligible for the competition.
Yeah. We can't wait to see all your Noel hangers. Should we talk about the main sew along now, Cassie?
Yes. So this is Father Christmas. This one's got 7 different blocks. So you can use the feet as standalone, or we have actually made a block for them as well. If you made the feet as the standalone design, you can actually just make 2 left feet or 2 right feet, depending on what direction you want the shoes to go.
I just love this design. Emma's done such a good job digitising it. It's just got so much detail in it, and he just looks so cute. And we've used some PU for his gloves and PU for his boots, and we've used some fluffy fabric for the trims, which looks amazing.
For our lantern, we have an option to use our mylar, but for this one we've actually used PVC.
Yeah, that looks so cool. I love that.
But both options have people have actually shown us those in the group as well, which is amazing.
What are the competition details for this one, Cassie?
So this one started on the 4th of November and it finishes on the 28th, Brisbane time. Same as with the Kiss design, you can get 30% on this Facebook group as well. So this is our main sew along group. This design comes in the 5x7, the 6x10 and the 7x12 hooping.
We made the 6x10 for this one.
Yeah, this is our sample size 6x10.
So for all our sew-alongs, we have video tutorials, which you can find in the links below, and there's also links to our Facebook groups there too. We've seen some really good ones so far, and we can't wait to see some more.